This is the demonstration video for NuTone IMA3303L. This is a biscuit colored Master Station. The Master Station serial number is 540610504. This IMA3303L was featured in a previous video. It was supposedly a new old stock unit that I unboxed, and it was indeed defective at that time. This unit has been completely rebuilt and it's in good working order today. Cosmetically, it is as perfect as you will ever find. The only marks on the faceplate are inside the screw mounting holes, the areas where the back of the screw heads touch the plastic, and there's little marks there. As for the rest of the unit, it is as perfect new out of the box as you will probably ever find. The unit is powered up by our standard AC bench power supplies. I have it hooked up to a single remote station here. It's hooked up to our bench door speaker, which is over there on the end of the workbench. It has our shop chime module connected to it, chime module not included. It also has a backup battery built to it. The clock has been programmed so the time is correct. The AM radio works properly. The AM radio works properly.
By Arco.
As do the auxiliary inputs. For auxiliary music source, I have it connected to my phone, and we're just going to play some sort of generic music. That's the CD tape input, and that's the auxiliary input. They both work. Chime module rings. The purpose of the chime module is to show that the chime module input is active and does work. So we'll do a 2-note chime. Plenty of volume there. Behind the doors, it's clean and unmarked. You have your standard IMA3303 controls. The system volume is for the music. The intercom volume is for the intercom. Those have been both set at appropriate levels. If we do door talk from the master, comes out there. The howling is the feedback that happens when the speakers are too close to each other. Inside patio talk comes out through this speaker, and the hands-free reply works, and end call. From the remote speaker, door talk comes out there. Door reply works. Inside patio talk, you can hear it at the master. Monitor settings at the master work. And from the remote station, all fully functional. The remote music control feature works. If I push and hold down the end call button, it shows IC. Oops, we have to turn the program off. We'll push and hold it down. FM comes back on at the last station played.
Like a guy like Jamal Crawford.
Roll through the stations. Back to FM.
Not denying.
For a mile over 36,000.
And then hold it down. System turns off. Fully functional, fully rebuilt, as pristine of an IMA3303L as you'll ever find. That's it.